It's a Sunday again, so we're going to go in and take a look at the progress of the painters. Quite a bit have done since the last video. We were going to hire a cleaning service, but since the village hadn't turned our water on yet, that would make things kind of difficult. So in the meantime, on a gradual basis, Sharon and I have been cleaning here and there. So we took a duster mop and swept down the walls to get the dust off of it prior to painting. We did the same thing with the window sills, same thing with the windows. We washed the windows. We washed all the windows. We pulled down the old curtains and some of the vertical blinds, removed those, cleaned. We unscrewed all the screws that were in the walls that were prior used for holding pictures on the wall. We taken that down. We went in the garage and cleaned it out, vacuuming it out, and what I wanted to do was, before I get the garage totally cluttered, I wanted to paint the floors. Not epoxy, just put a concrete garage paint on the floor, like a gray tone. But as you can see here, it's getting a little congested, a little bit, but it's getting kind of congested in the garage. But everything is piled over. The painter's stuff is over in the corner, so we can work around that. With that said, let's go in and take a look at the progress of the painters, and hopefully they made some progress. Talked to the guy a couple of days ago, and he said that he was going to have his guys work the weekend, holiday weekend, but I told him it wasn't necessary. We're not in a hurry to get in here, so they're going to take, I guess, tomorrow off and maybe come back Tuesday and try to wrap up Wednesday or Thursday. So that's good. So let's take a look inside and see what's going on. Part of our activities was we did some window shopping at the big box stores, Lowe's, Home Depot, Menards, for different things here. Ventilation covers for the walls and ceilings. We looked at bathroom fixtures, appliances, flooring, you name it. So we did a lot of online shopping as well as walking in the store looking for stuff. So let's take a look inside and see what we got here. So we're going to enter here to see, again, Sunday. Painters are halfway done. So let's take a look and see where they stand. Drop-offs, laundry room, lights covered up. See it, you can't hardly see it good. They're doing the ceiling, they haven't done the walls yet. The walls is just another part of the white product, any finished products. And these walls, let's see. The baseboard. here at all, just for the ceiling. Amateur tip: paint before doing flooring. As you can see, the painting is in progress. Next thing, if the painters get out, the floor guy comes in, and we keep moving this project along.